Hello everyone. I think so. Last time we discussed with the middle class, the rise of middle class. So we will discuss more on that. In 18th century, it witnessed the emergence of social group. Social group means coming together to do something, and that was middle class, who earned their wealth through an expanding overseas trade. From manufacture of goods such as woolen and silk textile, they were either exported or brought by the richer members of the society. All these educated believed that no group in the society should be privileged. So this idea has come into the middle class because the education has risen. So the concept of truth came into the mind that no one should be given a birth privilege. Rather than person's social position must be depend on merit. Merit means result, a kind of result. This idea envisage the society based on freedom and equal law. Means we are talking about equality. Now we can talk about a few philosophers, that is John Locke and John Jacques Rousseau. In a two treatises of government, we can say that Rousseau carried the idea of forwarding and proposing the government-based social contract between their respective. The spirit of law was the book. Montesquieu proposed the division of power within the government between the legislative, executive and judiciary, as India is having legislative, judiciary and executive right now. This was the first idea came in the France. The model of government was put into the force in USA. This was first applied where? In USA. After 13 colonies declared independence from Britain. Yes, USA was also 100% under control under Britain. The American Constitution and its guarantee individual rights to an important and political thinker of the France. The idea of the philosopher was discussed intensely in salons and coffees and houses. So this kind of new ideas were discussed in everywhere, and in every street we can talk about. The news of Louis XVI plan to impose further taxes to able to meet a new expenses, state government anger and protest against the system of privileges. So everyone was talking like that government gonna bring some changes because now middle classes are means getting stronger. So this all things brought to some conclusion. This is called outbreak of revolution. Now when the revolution started, why the revolution started? Because of these small events, it turned into a huge incident. Now what is that? The outbreak of revolution is the title. Louis XVI had to increase the taxes for reasons you have learned in a previous sections. Yeah, definitely we know about that, because to maintain the privileges and to maintain the luxurious life of a prince and a kingdom. He had to call meeting of the estate of general, which would then pass his proposal for new taxes, because he needed money, so he was imposing new taxes. The estate general was political body which has three estates, as we know, that first, second and third. However, the monarch alone could decide when to call a meeting in this organization, means in this body. The last time it was done in 1614 so it was too far, means too long ago. On 5th May 1789, Louis XVI called together an assembly of the States General to pass a proposal of new taxes because he needed money. He resplendent hall Versailles were prepared to host delegates. Delegates means important people. The first and the second estates sent 300 representatives. First and second estate having 300 representatives each. So that is total 600 members, who were seated in a row facing other two sides, while 600, now what I am talking, 600 was the member of third estate, means twice of first and second, were standing a back. They were not even given a place to sit. The third estate was represented by its more prosperous and educated member. Peasants, artisans, women were